What's up, guys? I'm just making a little video about my rig. I built it a couple months ago. Just figured I'd throw up a video on YouTube about it, kind of go over the parts and everything. So yeah, here is the computer itself, right there. As you can see, there's quite a few NZXT parts, but I'll go over the less exciting stuff and the little older stuff first. So what I've got here for a monitor is the HP ZR30W. I've had it for about 6 years. It's probably the oldest thing on this desk, but it's a great monitor nonetheless. It's a 2560 by 1600 resolution monitor, so still beats the crap out of, 1440p, 1080p definitely. Pretty solid. It's been great, reliable. Not the best for gaming, but that's primarily what I use it for, and it's pretty good for that. And the keyboard here, I've got the Razer Black Widow Chroma with the Death Adder mouse, also the Chroma version. You can see I've got them synchronized LEDs, white and red, through the Synapse software, which is great. So that's that. It's got the wrist rest here that you can just remove, which is really nice. It's a nice soft wrist rest. Pretty cool. The mouse is great. I pretty much only have used Death Adders for the past almost 10 years now. But we'll get to the main attraction now, the computer itself. So you can see that beautiful tempered glass side panel. That's the NZXT S340 Elite case, which I love. Easy to build in, plenty of cable management. Looks great, of course. That's my primary reason for getting it. And yeah, just overall, really nice case. I mean, I've built in some Corsair cases over the years, and tech cases. This one blows them away, in my opinion. And then, first thing that you probably notice is the cooler, the NZXT Kraken X62, the radiator there. I've got two Corsair fans in a push configuration there. Pretty good temps. I mean, honestly, from what I've seen online, it seems like the Corsair H100 series, H110, H1, all those tend to have a little bit better temps than what I've been getting in my experience. But either way, I'm running the Intel 7700K processor, the Z270 Kaby Lake, and those tend to run hot anyway. So, they're under control, under load. I'm pushing 80 Celsius, so not cool, but for the overclock that I'm getting, it's not too bad. So yeah, as I said, the Intel 7700K is the chip that I'm running in this thing, Z270 chipset, Kaby Lake, which been having pretty good experience with. My 24/7 overclock right now is 4.8 gigahertz, and as I said, it's pushing about 80 Celsius. With 1.3 V-core. And graphics, pretty straightforward. You can see it right there, the EVGA GTX 1070 for the Win 2, which has the ICX cooler. Oh, sorry, I'm taking this video with my phone, so lighting's going to be kind of strange. And I've got that overclocked pretty well too. So, the airflow in this case, those two fans are exhaust. That's the intake, so it's dispersing the heat pretty well. And yeah, so let's see, RAM. Got the G.Skill TridentZ RGB RAM right there. So those are rated for 4133 megahertz, which I have not been able to achieve. And I've tried upping all the voltages, and I'm just not having any luck reaching 4133 stable. I mean, I could get 4000, but that would not pass any type of stability test, whether it be real bench, Intel burn test, Prime 95. Just can't do it. The Intel, the chip, CPU overclock is not the issue. It's definitely the RAM. So if you guys have any ideas, please feel free to comment and let me know. I'm running, probably important to know what motherboard to support that RAM. It's the Asus Maximus 9 code. So definitely not a low-end motherboard. You know, kind of off topic, but I've got all the fancy LEDs. I went for the LED RAM. I'm usually not a huge RGB LED fan, but I kind of got the itch on this build and ended up going for it. Matches with the custom cabling that I bought. Goes right into my 1000 watt EVGA G3 power supply. Plenty. I mean, I didn't need 1000 watt, but it was on sale, so you know. Yeah, so lighting wise, I'm running the NZXT Hue Plus with the LED strips, which you can see are all around each of the edges here. They illuminate the case really well. It's not overpowering, but it lets you see clearly everything in here very well. So I'm very happy with that. I've also got the NZXT Grid fan controller. Not a full PWM controller, but using the NZXT cam software, which a lot of people talk crap about it, honestly, but I haven't had too many issues. I mean, it's dropped the Kraken a couple times, but you know, nothing a quick reinstall can't fix, and the settings are really easy to get right back to where they were. So really not a huge issue for me. Still very happy with it. Cam software makes it a nice kind of central hub to control lighting, fan control, fan speed rather. So as I said, happy with that. You can see I got a SSD PNY 480 gig SSD right there, but my primary boot drive is you can't really see it because it's underneath the panel on the motherboard, but it is the Corsair MP500 480 gig NVMe M2 storage, which very fast. I mean, I'm pushing 3200 megabytes per second read and about 2900 write, so this thing boots real quick. So yeah, so far, you know, I love this thing. I know the X299 chips were just announced last week, earlier this week. Not quite at that level of need, so I'll stick with this Kaby Lake build for the foreseeable future. 3 years or so. So yeah, that's my rig here. I'll just kind of show you up top. That is the Wi-Fi that was included, because I can't run Ethernet here to this room. Headset, so I've got that rested on the NZXT puck that's included with the S340 case. It's the Razer Man-O-War wireless headphones, which have great battery life, good sound. They're chroma as well, so they go with my theme kinda. Definitely nice there. Just give you one more quick rundown with this terrible lighting. I apologize. So there's the NZXT Hue Plus. Got the cabling. Again, this case has great cable management, which I absolutely love. Real easy to do. I mean, you still got to put time into it to make everything look nice, but this definitely has the capabilities. As long as you do. As long as you care, put the time into it, it'll come out looking real nice. I love that infinity mirror look on the Kraken. It's great. It's nice and quiet. Good airflow. So yeah, it's my setup. And I'll show you my chair too, because I just got this chair kinda. It's the Vertigear SL5000. It's pretty great. There's some World of Warcraft stuff over there. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. I've got all kinds of stuff in my channel. I got computer stuff, cool nerd stuff like statues, some old World War II stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. And as I said, subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks. Have a good day.